Well, the Rwanda plan is at the center of Sunak's immigration policy, and its success is likely to be key to the fortunes of his Conservative Party. Now the ruling Conservative Party is in a dilemma after the Immigration Minister Robert Jenrick quit over legislation regarding sending migrants to Rwanda. Jenrick resigned after Sunak's administration published emergency legislation called Safety of Rwanda Bill, designed to ensure that Rwanda is regarded a safe country. This after the UK Supreme Court verdict last month deemed that it was not the case. Jenrick wrote in his resignation, and I quote here, "The stakes for the country are too high for us not to pursue the stronger protections required to end the merry-go-round of legal challenges which risk paralyzing the scheme and negating its intended deterrence," unquote. That was seen as a reference to Sunak's refusal to take Britain out of the European Convention of Human Rights. The publication of the law comes a day after the British Home Secretary James Cleverly signed a new treaty during a visit to Rwanda's capital Kigali to include commitments regarding the treatment of asylum seekers and other migrants sent there. Here is what the treaty states. The treaty guarantees that any person sent to Rwanda to claim asylum will not be at risk of refoulement, which is the legal term for being sent to a third country where they could face persecution. The draft bill, which deems Rwanda a safe country and is set to be rushed through the House of Commons, bypasses some sections of the Human Rights Act. The proposed legislation would also give courts the ability to ignore any ruling from the European Court of Human Rights to block flights sending migrants back to Rwanda. Sunak has promoted the emergency law, saying it allowed the deportation plan to no longer be bogged down in the courts. However, the bill stops short of what some on the Tory side say are demanding. Britain's sacked Home Secretary Suella Braverman has warned Sunak of electoral oblivion, adding that the bill must block all routes to legal challenge to allow flights to take off.